Here is Lexus IS250. Let me show you another possible cause of overheating. Take a look at this radiator cap. It's completely damaged, so it can no longer retain coolant in the system. So with this, coolant find its way out once the temperature increases to the reservoir and start spilling out the coolant in it. And as it's doing this, the temperature on the instrumental cluster will start rising and increasing. So this is how a new cap looks like. Can you take a look at this compared to the old? So if you are experiencing increase in temperature and you have cause to be topping up your water every morning, take a look at